To enable battery saving mode on POCO M8 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we need to find the battery section. Click on it, then go to the current mode, which allows you to switch between battery saver and ultra battery saver. As you can see, the gap in battery remaining time is big when it comes to battery saver and ultra battery saver. So if you activate battery saver, you can read what exactly will happen, but in the shortcut some processes on your phone will slow down. You will also get the lower brightness, and some of the services like location and etc. raise to wake gestures will be deactivated. So if you click on OK, you will enter battery saver, and there's also option to open the ultra battery saver, as I said, and this actually changes a lot. So if you enter that mode, your phone will change drastically. You will lose a lot of brightness, your entire system UI will change, you won't have access to most of the apps, and to get that access to certain apps, just click on the plus button and add whichever app you like. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.